Guys, we got a 2007 Acura TL, 3.7 liter V6. So still got factory converter up there, second converter there, and then a high flow converter there. And then he brought his own vibrant quiet flow. Part number right there, 1141. There'll be a link in the description for it. Right there. Then we ran 2.5-inch system all the way back because he's going to turbocharge it, and did a custom Y pipe for him right there in the middle, as you guys can see, to clean it up. It looks a lot better than the ones that they sell, so we make them custom. Then 2.5-inch out the back on each side, and then some custom tips, also blue flame right there, 4-inch on this side, staggered. There'll be a link in the description for him. We'll take that little box out for lining up. And there she is. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And this is the old system that was on it. As you guys can see, it's all rusted out. This car is all the way from New Jersey. Had a Dynamax bullet on it and the 2 mufflers there. We took all that off and cleaned it up for him. We appreciate him coming down to us. And like always, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Oh, that sounds so good. Even with the vibrant, it's got a vibrant quiet flow on it. It's still loud. So neat, man. That sounds distinctive though. I have there's that pump. Yeah, that sounds really nice. Sound decibels again? 117. Wow. Oh, I love that pump. That sounds so good. Again? Do you approve?
Definitely worth the money.
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Yes, sir. I think he likes it too much. He doesn't want to back it up. Just keep them clean. Always wipe them down, you know. Acura. Wow, so good. Man, that pump is awesome. I love it. Does it have a tune? It's got a tune, yeah, I can tell. What's the name of the tune, do you know? Is it a custom guide?
Custom guide.
Yeah. Again? I love that, dude. We need to two-step it for me. Let you guys hear on the inside. You're a TL, quiet flow in the middle, 2.5-inch system, straight pipe all the way back after that, high flow cat, and quads blue flame to complete the look. Perfect. Oh, that sounds so good. I like it. Be smoked. Enjoy, guys.